Good afternoon, everybody. I am Purna Prasad Jaisi. I am English teacher. Today, especially, we are near to SE. Students, you are waiting for SE examination. Hope these circumstances will change into positive situation and we will attend in SE exam soon. Dear students, yesterday we discussed about grammar topic related to the examination. So today I am going to give you test that will help or that will support you in examination also. I hope yesterday we discussed a lot about grammar type 1. That's why I have prepared test related to our previous lesson. Hope student, you will give positive answer. If you are unable, I am here to support you because I am a teacher, not only teacher, you think me as a facilitator or friend. So be frank and don't feel shy, don't be afraid because exam, everybody should take exam though he or she doesn't like, because this is our life is a struggle. So we have to struggle with life, we have to face any challenge in our life. So the examination is also a kind of challenge, but if you practice hard, if you practice well, then you can do well. Well, let's turn to our topics. Grammar, altogether 11 marks is allocated in under grammar. There are two types of grammar, so we have to complete two types of grammar, type 1 and type 2. So yesterday I taught you in our previous class, I have taught a lot about type 1 grammar. That's why I have presented here some exercises related to that type 1 grammar. So hope such type of practice or such type of exercise will be also asked in examination. So these exercises are related to the exam oriented. So such type of exercise will be asked in exam. So this question will be asked in question number 9, okay, in SE exam. So question number 9, you have to ask, reproduce following sentences as indicated in brackets. In this, according to the suggestion, we have to reproduce a new structure or a new form. For each 6 sentences or 6 exercises are here. For each exercise, 1 mark is allocated. So if you make one sentence, one exercise correct, then you will get 1 mark. So whole 6 marks is allocated under type 1 grammar. Okay. Number 1, number A, they couldn't hear me. Supply the correct question tag. Okay. Sanju, could you please tell me the correct question tag? What's its one? Okay. Try, think please. Monica, what about you? Okay, right. Absolutely. They couldn't hear me, it means could they? Okay. Could they? So it's clear that if the statement is negative, then you should supply positive question tag. Thank you very much. Next one, Mary will come to the party. Change into negative. Anybody else? Can you tell me the correct answer of this exercise, of this statement? Mary will come to the party. Change into negative. You have to change the sentence into negative form. Lakshman, what about you? Okay, practice, good practice. We can change this sentence according as Lakshman says, Mary want. In the place of want, what other words can we use? Yes, will not. Will not also we can use. Mary won't come to the party. Okay. Or you can also say Mary will not come into the party. This may be also, that is also right. Okay. Mary won't come to the party. This is negative. So don't forget to put full stop when you finish the sentence, and put that capital letter at the beginning of a sentence. Number C, Mr. Thapa visits his sister once a month. Change into how often question. Okay, we have discussed about WS questions a lot. I hope you can make the suitable how often question. Okay, please think, try. All students. Yes, Sangeeta says, first of all, we should identify which, how much question means WH question. So we should start from WH, okay? How often? So it is mentioned here. First we should write here how often at the beginning. How often? How often? Then we should think here carefully. Visits, okay? Visit, which form of this verb? Okay, this is V5. Yes, if there is V5, we should put auxiliary verb does. Okay, I have taught, and I think you know also about this. So how often does? Then after, what can we put? Yes, Mr. Thapa. How often does Mr. Thapa? Then, how often does Mr. Thapa what? Yes, visit. V-I-S-I-T, visit to whom? Okay, his sister. Put question mark. Okay, well done. My dear student, you are my disciplined student. Okay, you did correct. How often does Mr. Thapa visit his sister? Then we replace here once a month, because this is the answer. So if we make the question, we should remove the answer. If question is asked, we should put the answer. So how often does Mr. Thapa visit his sister? So this is the correct answer, is directed is advised us in the bracket. Next one, look someone in the bracket towards us. Put the verb in bracket in correct tense. Okay, we have discussed a lot about tense. Okay, under tense you have done some practices also, you have done a lot of exercises also. So according, on the basis of your practice, on the basis of your experience, I hope you can do this also. Okay, one thing what you should consider is that while writing the correct form of verb according to the tense, there should be given some clue, hints. So you should identify the hints. If you identify the hints, then it will help you to form a correct form of sentence. Okay, so here is the what is the hints? Can you say please, what is the hints here? Anybody? Yes, you are right, Anjali. She says look. If there is look, then what tense it indicates? Okay, if there is look, then we can mention the present continuous tense. Okay, present continuous tense means subject plus, what is the pattern, what is the structure of present continuous tense? Okay, subject plus is-mr plus before. Okay, so what may be the then correct answer? Look someone is coming towards us. Okay, very good. Now, next exercise remain here. He says, I have been preparing for the test. Change into indirect speech. So, here is given direct speech, then you have to change indirect speech. That's also, okay, no new, okay, it's very easy here. First of all, what should we do? Yes, he says, then that. Why should we join the indirect speech here with that? Yes, there is the reported speech is simple statement. If the reported speech is simple statement, at this in this situation we should join with that. Okay, absolutely right. He says that, then what may be? Yes, if there is first person in reported speech, then this first person should be changed according to the subject of reporting verb. So, he says that he has been preparing for the test. Yes? Right. He says that he has been preparing for the test. Yes, please. What? Why you didn't change tense in this sentence? Yes. I didn't change tense in reported speech here. Here is also present perfect continuous. I have also made present perfect continuous. Why? This is because if there is a simple present tense in the reporting verb, then we should not change tense. Okay, very much. Thank you, very good. Okay, now last one remaining. Raju had painted the wall. Change into passive voice. My dear student, you can do very well in active and passive voice. So I hope you will do this also. Please help me. Just I write. You have to say, then I write. Okay. First of all, what we have to do? Yes, we should identify subject, verb, object. Okay. Then the object of active sentence, we should make the subject of passive sentence. Okay, that's good. So this came here, the wall, then had. Okay, what other auxiliary extra things we have to add here? Yes, correct, been. The wall had been painted by Raju. Okay, thank you very much, students. You have done well. I hope if you do in this way, then you don't have to afraid about your exam. You will do, okay? You will do well and practice. Go on your practice. Keep on your practice. So don't be and take study as an interesting matter, as a which you like most, which is your favorite game. In the same way, study also is as like game. You should make, then your exam will be fruitful. Okay, thank you very much for being with us. We will meet in our next class. Thank you. Daniel.